the Sajjada Nation of Hazrat Shah Shams Tabriz, R.A., Makhdum Syed Raza Shamsi Advocate, the chairman of the Saraikistan Democratic Party, Rana Muhammad Faraz Noon, and the former secretary for publications of the All Pakistan Workers' Union, USCB-CBA, Abid Hussain Bhatti, stated that the victors who bestowed the nation with a historic triumph are today being honored by the nation. They said that congratulations are due to Field Marshal Asim Munir, Nishan-e-Imtiaz, military, and Hilali Jurat, and to Air Chief Zahir Ahmed Babar, Nishan-e-Imtiaz, military, and Hilali Jurat. In their congratulatory message, they said that in the face of Indian aggression, the strategy of Field Marshal Asim Munir boosted the morale of the Kashmiris. Today, the nation is celebrating and appreciating the decisions of the Prime Minister of Pakistan and the President of Pakistan. Chief Marshal Asim Munir is synonymous with honor, security, and dignity. His appointment as the country's first Chief of Defense Forces is a milestone for national security. The 5-year appointment ensures continuity and stability in defense leadership, and the House has acknowledged that under the leadership of Field Marshal Asim Munir, national defense will be aligned with modern requirements. This decision is extremely important for Pakistan's security, sovereignty, and regional stability. The House has also praised the decision to extend the tenure of the Chief of Air Staff, Air Chief Marshal Zahir Ahmed Babar Sadhu, and has paid tribute to the professional services and sacrifices of the armed forces. Syed Akhtar Abbas Bukhari, Pakistan's renowned artist Malik Kasser Hadriawan, Ali Raza Abid Bhatti and Chief Patron Israr Freed Chisti All Pakistan Workers USC, CBA while extending heartfelt congratulations on the historic address of the Chief of Defense Forces as the guardian of the nation's security, said that as the protector of national security, his leadership played a fundamental role in leading our brave armed forces to a decisive victory in the battle of truth, Maraka-e-Haq. The people of Pakistan will always remember the courageous and valiant leadership of Field Marshal Syed Asim Munir, which united the armed forces in the most difficult circumstances of war and brought the entire nation together, ensuring a historic success for the beloved homeland.